English plus Hindi sentences. In the previous video, we also did English plus Hindi sentences, but we are doing questions today. Means Hindi and English sentence related to questions like this. So first sentence of our day is, do you need help? क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए है? Second, did you do your homework? क्या तुमने अपना homework किया? Third, are you angry with me? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Whenever you see the first, second, third sentences, we mostly use them. Mostly means if you set the second sentence, did you do your homework? Teachers always say that. In schools, sometimes, mostly if they speak Hindi, so they will say, क्या तुमने अपना homework किया? First one, क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Do you need my help? We don't say that mostly, but we still say, like elderlies. If we see an elder crossing the road or holding a very heavy bag, or you are helping your mom and father, sister, brother, so you always say, do you need my help in English, or you can say in Hindi, क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Third, are you angry with me? क्या तुमसे नाराज हो? If you make someone angry, your friend, your sister, your brother, your siblings, or anybody, so what do you say? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Fourth, is everything okay? क्या सब ठीक है? क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Whenever we make a call, so we say now, is everything okay? Or how is it? If you talk to your relatives or you meet a friend after a very very long time, so what will you say first? Means you will ask how he is, or you will say, is everything okay in your place? Are you okay? So if we say, is everything okay? So we can say, क्या सब ठीक है? Fifth one, do you know him? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? So we can say, brothers. Nowadays, if you have a sister, means if a brother has a sister and she sees a friend, so what will she say? क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Sixth one, we are getting late. This is not a question, okay? This is just an extra. We are getting late. हम late हो रहे हैं. We are getting late. हम late हो रहे हैं. So if you see, if we are going somewhere like a park, museum, or we have a ticket, bus ticket, airplane, or museum ticket, or cinema. So if we get late, so what would we say in Hindi? हम late हो रहे हैं. So there were 6 sentences. So now we are going to, I'm going to give you 4 more, and then we are going to start with the test. And so now here are 4 more words. 7. What do you want me to tell? What do you want to tell me? तुम मुझे क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to tell me? This one, we know if somebody is saying something to us and we can't hear it. So we repeat, what are you trying to tell me? We can say, excuse me, but mostly, what are you trying to tell me? I don't understand. Like this. So if somebody says, what are you trying to tell me? So in Hindi, if you want to say that, because if the person does not understand English, you can say Hindi. तुम मुझे क्या कहना चाहते हो? Fourth, 8th time. Is he your friend? क्या वो तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? क्या वो तुम्हारा friend है? और is she your friend? क्या वो तुम्हारी friend है? So you can use he and she both. Here I have written he. If you want it to be she, then you can write s here, she. So क्या वह तुम्हारा दोस्त है? और she, क्या वो तुम्हारी दोस्त है? For girls. 9. Will you go to school tomorrow? क्या तुम आज स्कूल जाओगे? Will you go to school today? क्या तुम आज स्कूल जाओगे? So if we check this, mom, our mother, father ask, क्या तुम स्कूल जाने वाले हो आज? कल. So you can means in Hindi, will you go to school tomorrow? Your mom or father is asking that. So in Hindi, if you want to convert it, you can say, क्या कल तुम स्कूल जाने वाले हो? 10. Will you come home? Will you come home? क्या तुम घर आने वाले हो? क्या तुम कब? When will you come home? तुम कब घर आओगे? तुम कब घर आओगे? When will you come home? When will you come home? So these were the 10 words. Next, we are going to start the test. So now here is a test for you to check how much you have learned. So समय सब बदल देता है. समय सब बदल देता है. So here are these sentences. You have to convert them into English. So I want to see how much you have improved in this skills. And if you know English and you're learning Hindi, then write these. If you know these in English, write them in English, or write other words in English and try writing them in Hindi yourself, or make some sentences yourself and try writing them in Hindi, or have a conversation with somebody. If you have conversation with somebody, so whatever you spoke to that person, try writing it in Hindi language. or just try speaking in Hindi language, because Hindi is also important, English is also important, every language is important, so you need to learn. Second, मुझे बोलने दो, मुझे बोलने दो. थर्ड, जाकर पढ़ाई करो, जाकर पढ़ाई करो. दिस इज इजी, आई थिंक दे आर ऑल इजी. फोर्थ, यह संभव है, यह संभव है. So this was the end of the video. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.